I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to Simply Bria. What she say? Simply Bria. It's your girl Jabria here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did these braids on myself. How to knotless braids dupe or knotless braids. I don't know, something knotless braids. They're very similar to knotless braids, but this is definitely for beginners, for people who can't really braid, have a hard time gripping hair. This video is definitely for you. So if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so to start, the only products you need, since I want to go ahead and condition my hair, I'm going to just use this leave-in conditioner by As I Am. But again, that's optional. And then you need a comb, rat tail comb, that way you can part. And I just have this comb too, just in case if I get to the ends and I need to detangle a little bit more. You need a crochet hook, and this is the size hook that I get. You can get this from the beauty supply store. It's only like $1. And then I just have an edge brush for, you know, making the parts neater, hair ties. You can get a wide tooth comb if you need to detangle your hair more. And then I have these clips to separate my hair. I have this Shine and Jam, and this is what I use to put on each little section of hair just to make sure that it's neat. And I'm sorry y'all for my voice, I just woke up. And then the Murray, what did they say? Murray's Edge Wax. Murray's, I don't know. Edge Wax. Edge Wax, oh my gosh. And I put that on my edges. So yeah, you guys will see that. So yeah, that's the only product you need besides the braiding hair. Now the braiding hair, this is what I used. At least this time. I got the Braid Barbie. And just make sure whatever kind of hair you get that is pre-stretched. That will save you a lot of time. So yeah, this whole pack of hair is only $5.99. You can get the Expressions pre-stretched hair in this length, or really any brand. It's all the same as long as it's pre-stretched. I just section, right now I'm just gonna do the front of my head. So yeah, the back is in a ponytail, and I just section the front part. I always split my hair in half, and I do 4 sections on each side. 4 sections. Pre-stretched already comes looking good at the ends. So I just do a section about this big. I would say about a centimeter, wide. And I usually just kind of lay them out on the ground, that way I don't have to keep grabbing them. So yeah, this is about how, I hope y'all can tell. Again, I would say test it out. If you don't like it that size, if you think it's too small, too big, then just the next one, do it a little bit bigger and do it a little bit smaller. So now I'm gonna go with this Shine and Jam. My face looks so shiny. If I have enough. And I'm gonna just go ahead and put that all over my hair so that it can look neat. What you're gonna do is you're gonna just braid it to 3 and try to do it tight, because it'll make the braids look neater. And I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe like 5 times down. You see that? Where it gives you a little bit of base. About I would say about a centimeter worth of base, y'all. So you're gonna braid down until you get about a centimeter, about the size of your finger, and I feel like that's good enough. So one more time, I'm gonna put it like this. put the hair on the hook like that, close the hook, pull the hair through, use that piece of hair. It's gonna be like this. Take your hair and a piece of the braid hair and pull it through. And then just to tighten it, I usually just pull it at the roots. So now once you get that, I just separate the braid hair into 3 pieces. So I take a piece from both sides to make it like that. And I'm gonna separate my hair, of course, into 3 pieces. Like that. And like that. Now I'm about to just start braiding. And I braid it tight, add some gel too, at least for my hair so it can blend in better. And braid it tight too at the roots so that your hair won't come out. Okay y'all, now I finished this braid, and you don't have to braid all the way down. I leave about that much. About 4 to 5 inches of hair, because you're gonna be dipping it in water, so that doesn't really matter. Okay y'all, so I'm back, and I just wanted to do this last little braid just so you guys can see. So yeah, I've already braided it down. Again, it's about it's a little longer than like a centimeter, but you know, as long as you have a good base to put the crochet hook through, you should be good. So yeah, I'm gonna just go in with it like that, and I'm going right underneath that braid. No. And I'm gonna just take my section of hair, put that thing on the hook, close the hook and bring it through. The little loop part, I'm gonna take my hair and a piece of the weave, and I'm gonna bring all of that through and just pull it like you would a shoestring. And then to get it tight, I just take the hair and the weave and pull it like that. Now you're gonna separate the weave into 3 sections. Separate your hair, your real hair. I know all of it's your real hair, but like for real, your real hair. And separate that into 3 sections as well. And then I'll just take gel. Like I said before, you want to use gel when you're trying to blend your hair in with the weave. It makes for a neater braid. So yeah, I'm gonna just braid that sucker down. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to come back and show you guys the final look of my braids, and y'all, I love it. This is how they look. And they're very long. They're not very long, but they're long. So yeah, I just went ahead and finished the back side, and I also dipped the braids in hot water. If you never heard of that technique, I'm sure there's plenty of videos on YouTube. But basically, I just put some water in a cup and put it in the microwave to get it hot. And then once it's like steaming, I just dip my braids in there just like that. And I go all the way to like right here where my hands are. And that just seals the ends. So yeah, I just did that and let them dry, and this is how they turned out. Y'all, I love it. And don't mind the parting in the back, y'all, because your girl can't part, and we already know that. So yeah, you can flip it to the side and everything. They're a little bit they're a little stiffer right now just because I just finished them, but if you wanted to wear it in like a side angle, you definitely could. This is just a very versatile style. Really, it's just like not box braids, knotless box braids. So yeah, if you're going to work out and you want to put it up, this is a great alternative. And hold on really quick. For this particular style, and like if you wanted to do it this size, I use one full pack of this three times pre-stretched hair that I showed you guys earlier. I use one full pack and one strip of the second pack. So in total, I use one full pack and 1/3 of the second pack. So literally, it does not take a lot of hair. It's probably $9 worth of hair. So it's so cheap, so affordable, you can do it yourself. It did take me about, I stopped and paused and stopped again, but it took about, I would say 9 to 10 hours, I would say roughly. But yeah, if you're like a pretty good braider, like I said, this is only my 3rd time. So if you're a pretty good braider and everything, you'll get these done in no time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment, like, comment, subscribe, like. Let me know what other styles, what other videos you guys want to see, and I'll be sure to bring that to you. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you all.